This was my first day cooking in my own home again. I'd just gotten up from a very long nap. It's also been a while since I've cooked for only 2 people, just me and my partner. And I was really tired from moving and unpacking, so I wanted to keep things pretty simple. Here I'm just prepping all of the aromatics. When it's just the 2 of us, usually we do a meat dish, a veggie dish, and sometimes a soup. And that is exactly what we're doing today. So I'm making a miso-based mountain yam soup. I love working with mountain yam. It's so slimy and fun. And then I marinated some chicken drumsticks. And guys, I got a new frying pan. It's so pretty. I'm also cooking up the big spinach that we got from TNT. Drumsticks are just getting fried in a pan. Spinach gets blanched. Stalks first, of course, so the leaves don't get overcooked. A soy sauce-based sauce for the drumsticks. And then in the spinach, I added garlic ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, more salt, sesame seeds, pepper. Basically, whatever you want to taste, it's going to be good. The spinach was, of course, squeezed dry before. Once the sauce was reduced on the drumsticks, it's ready to go. Also added some more green onions to the soup. Here I am trying to be cute and plating everything up nice. Usually we'll just eat family style, but on this night I was like, ooh, let me use these pretty plates that I've got. I made lots so we could have leftovers for the next day because I am just going through it right now. I don't really want to do a whole lot of cooking. My back is still in a lot of pain, but this was a nice dinner. The soup was really lovely. The spinach is basically something I gravitate to almost weekly. It's really easy to make, super nutritious, good hot or cold. The chicken drumsticks were juicy and tender. And we love mountain yam. So good. Also, Happy New Year, everyone. Have a good start to your 2022.